Number 33A, page number 4.85. Following is the receipts and payment account of Jindal Hospital for the year ended 31st March 2017. Here the receipts and payment account is given. On the receipt side, balance brought down, cash 4,000, bank 11,000 and 10% fixed deposits 30,000. Subscriptions 45,000. Donations 50% to be capitalized. Clearly mentioned 30,000. So 15,000 will be shown in income and expenditure account and 15,000 will be shown in the balance sheet as they are capitalized. Entrance fee 14,000. On the payment side, payment of medicines 20,000, salaries 10,000, doctors honorarium 8,000, equipment 35,000, rent 10,000, sundry expenses 7,500, balance carried down. This is the closing balance of cash 3,000, bank 10,500 and 10% fixed deposits 30,000. Now the other information, subscription due at the beginning of the year 1,000 and at the end 1,800. Subscription received in advance at the beginning 800, at the end 500. Stock of medicine 7,000 at the beginning and 8,500 at end. Creditors for medicine 4,500 at the beginning and 7,200 at the end. Value of equipment 21,000 at the beginning and 42,000 at the end. So payment of medicine, equipment, these both are capital nature payments. So the consumption will be taken into account in the income and expenditure account. Solution of question number 33A, page number 4.85. Here, first of all, we will prepare the balance sheet of Messrs. Jindal Hospital to calculate the capital fund. On the asset side, cash in hand is 4,000, cash at bank 11,000, 10% fixed deposits 30,000. These are given in the receipts and payment account on the receipt side at the top. They are the opening balances. Outstanding subscription 1,000, stock of medicine 7,000, equipments 21,000. They are given in the additional information. Creditors for medicine 4,500, advance subscription 800. Again in the additional information, these figures are mentioned. We will do the balance. On the liability side, capital fund, this is the balancing figure 68,700. Then the income and expenditure account of Messrs. Jindal Hospital for the year ending 31/3/2017. To salaries 10,000, to doctors honorarium 8,000, to rent 10,000, to sundry expenses 7,500. These are the revenue payments mentioned in the receipts and payment account. Then we will calculate the consumption of medicines. To consumption of medicines, payment for medicines is 20,000 less opening creditors of medicine 4,500. Total comes to 15,500. Add closing creditors of medicine 7,200. Total comes to 22,700. Add opening stock of medicine 7,000. 29,700 and dash closing stock of medicine 8,500. Total comes to 21,200. So here, after subtracting the opening creditors and adding the closing creditors of medicine, we will get purchase of medicine, and to this we will add the opening stock of medicine and we will subtract the closing stock of medicine to come to know about the total consumption of medicine. Then to depreciation on equipment 14,000. on the income side. By subscription 45,000 less outstanding for 2016 1,000, total comes to 44,000. Add outstanding of 2017 1,800, total comes to 45,800. Add advance of 2016 800, 46,600, and we will subtract the advance for 2017, that is 500. Total comes to 46,100. Donations, total amount received is 30,000. We will subtract 50%, which is being capitalized, 15,000. So 15,000 will be shown in the amount column as revenue or income. By entrance fee 14,000, and by accrued interest on fixed deposit, this is a hidden adjustment. Now fixed deposits are given rupees 30,000 at the beginning and at the end, and it is clearly mentioned 10% fixed deposits. That 10% is the rate of interest, and nothing is been mentioned in the receipts and payment account. Therefore, it is a hidden adjustment. We will calculate 10% of 30,000. That comes to rupees 3,000. This is accrued interest. Sheet of Messrs. Jindal Hospital as on 31/3/2017. On the liability side, capital fund 68,700, add surplus 7,400, total comes to 76,100. Advance subscription 500, creditors for medicine 7,200, donations capitalized 15,000. 50% of the donations were to be capitalized and 50% was to be shown as revenue in income and expenditure account. On the asset side, equipments 42,000, stock of medicine 8,500, fixed deposits 30,000, cash 3,000, bank is 10,500, outstanding subscription 1,800, accrued interest on fixed deposits is 3,000. In this question, the value of equipment is given 21,000 at the beginning and 42,000 at the end, and here the purchase of equipment is given in the receipts and payment account rupees 35,000. As the word value is mentioned, so value is for the assets, and for the consumable stores the word stock will be mentioned. So this is an asset, and on the asset depreciation is calculated. Asset का consumption नहीं,